Create epic videos with the all-new free VideoProc Editor on your mobile devices. Download and try it now for free. Get an expanded array of preset filters, transitions, and effects. Effortlessly shape your content with greater control over text, speed, keyframe, mask, and more. Now, install this free video editor and follow us to quickly create your first video. Select your media for import. Trim, split, delete, rearrange, edit their position, scale, rotate angle precisely. Adjust the color with complete color correction tools. Or add cinematic touch to your videos with 100+ filters. Add your footage and style with things like picture-in-picture. Animation. Effects. Apply transitions. Text. Add background music. Let's preview the result. Export it out. Download VideoProc Editor on your phone and try it yourself.